Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix real estate investments with Zillow, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zillow website to familiarize yourself with its layout. Create an account if you haven't already to access more features. Use the search bar to find specific properties or neighborhoods you're interested in. Filter your search results based on your investment criteria, such as price range, property type, and number of bedrooms. Take note of properties that catch your attention and read their descriptions thoroughly. Look for the Zestimate, which provides an estimated market value for the property. Review recent sales data for the property as well as comparable homes in the neighborhood. Check for any price reductions or history of price changes to gauge market trends. Utilize the Sold feature to see properties that have recently sold nearby, providing insight into local market conditions. Investigate the rental potential of properties by checking rental listings in the area. Examine Zillow's neighborhood insights for details on schools, crime rates, and amenities. Use the map feature to assess the property's location in relation to important infrastructure. Take advantage of the mortgage calculator to estimate potential financing costs. Save your favorite properties and keep track of them for further analysis. Consider contacting the listing agent if you have specific questions about a property. Evaluate each property's potential return on investment by factoring in repair costs, management fees, and potential rental income. Create a portfolio of your findings to compare different investment opportunities easily. Continually monitor your selected properties for market changes or new listings. Finally, make informed decisions based on your comprehensive analysis to maximize your real estate investment success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.